Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So October has officially started, so I already see it in my Instagram account that so many more people like it and start following because they're getting into the makeup and the Halloween stuff. So what does that mean? Another Halloween video. Of course, there's not going to be anything else posted during October. So what we're gonna do today is something I saw a while back. SFX makeup is so cool, like beyond love it, but whenever I look at it, I'm like, this is so fucking hard and how do people do this? And I have no idea how to do that. I am also not, this is ironic because I make YouTube videos, but me myself, I can't sit down, look at a video, how someone explains something. Sometimes I do it, but I'm just someone like, oh yeah, I saw it now, I'm gonna try it and we'll figure it out on the way. You know, I want to try it, not just look at it first. Anyway, so obviously sometimes you need to have a look at what the fuck am I supposed to do. So yeah, this time I looked at a tutorial which was from City Sirens, posted somewhere here, and they explain how to make, so I wanted to buy Sin Wax from Miron. There must be a way to do it yourself. So I started looking and obviously I found with Vaseline and flour, you could make it too yourself. Now I hate working with Vaseline because it sticks everywhere and you can't get it off. So what I did was get my Vaseline, get my flour, and so what they explained, I'm very bad at ratios, especially when they're explained in English because it's not my language. But so she said like you needed 3 tablespoons of Vaseline, and I'm like, I'm not gonna cover my whole face, so I just did like half a spoon. Put it in a cup, as you can see, and then the ratio was like 1 tablespoon of Vaseline, 3 of flour or something. You know what, you watch the video and they'll explain it. But I was like, again, I'm just gonna put some flour with it and we'll see how we go. So what I did was add not enough flour, and I was like, this shit, I can't get it mixed, like what's going on? Touched it with my hands, and I have been washing my hands for 15 minutes and I can't get the Vaseline off. So I was like, well, I clearly don't have enough flour. So I put another quack of flour in it, start really mixing it and damping it and smashing it and everything, to really get the flour in between the Vaseline. And then when it's all together, you mash it up together, and then you're gonna see a video of me fucking making a ball out of it. So when that all happens, have I even explained what I'm gonna do? No, but you already know. So what we're gonna do today is make a iron burn makeup. I find it weird that it's called iron. Iron can mean so many things in life. So yeah, let's get started. I'm just trying out shit, mate. I don't actually know what I'm doing. So my dad definitely wasn't impressed. I'm here like holding the iron machine. He's like, what are you gonna do with the iron machine? I'm like, nothing. See if it fucking fits. Oh my god. From far it looks good. I just don't know what it's gonna look like when I edit it. Definitely could be more improvement on these little shits, but they are fucking hard to work with. I'm definitely gonna buy it because that's shit. Okay, anyway, that was it for the video today. If you liked it, definitely don't forget to leave a like. I'm also going to post this picture on my Instagram, which is at the Soofster and an underscore. So definitely go check out that and follow my page to see some more pictures of Halloween. And for now, that was it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel also. And yeah, hope you liked it and see you in my next video. Bye!